Hello viewers, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In our last video, I told you about the multiplication methods and the rules that how can we multiply the integer by a given whole number or simply the two integers. Here today we'll go some more questions regarding that whole topic. I'm just taking the number 1, that is 1 upon 2 of 3. So here we have to find out the 1 by 2 of the number 3, and simply what we will do for this is basically this word of means simply the multiplication sign. So in our calculation we'll simply do what? We'll put a multiplication sign over here and again do the same calculation. So here we have studied that will be 1 multiplied by 3 and divided by 2, and the answer will be 3 by 2. In case of multiplication, sometime it will ask to reduce the equation also. So if it is possible, you can simply reduce it by dividing the corresponding number. Let's have some more example. Number 2, 2 by 7 of 7 of 9. Here we have to reduce it also. Okay. So first of all, we will put the multiplication sign in place of, and as you can see in the cross section, this 7 can be cancelled by this 7. So this way you can cut it out. Remember one thing, this division part can be only done in a cross sectional part or into the numerator and denominator area. In front portion we will only use multiplication method always. Okay, basically 2 multiplied by 7 आप जब भी सॉल्व करोगे तो जब भी करोगे फ्रंट सेक्शन में आप मल्टीप्लिकेशन करोगे, एंड इफ़ पॉसिबल अगर आप देख रहे हो कि ये सेट इज़ डिविजिबल तो आप क्रॉस नंबर्स को डिवाइड कर सकते हो या फिर न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर को भी डिवाइड कर सकते हो. सो कमिंग दिस टू पोर्शन आर कट, so here we have 2 divided by 9 as the answer, and we can see that these two numbers are not divisible by each other. So basically this is the reduced part of it. Okay, number 3, with having a mixed fraction, it is 2 divided by 3 of 2 whole 2 by 3. Now first of all what we will do, we will simply convert this mixed fraction into improper one. So it will be 3 into 2 will 6 plus 2 8 divided by 3 and multiplied by 2 divided by 3. So here we can see that these three both our numbers are same but they are not at the cross places, so they can't divide with each other. So basically we will do what? 2 multiplied by 8 and 3 multiplied by 3, and our answer will be 2 into 8 will be 16 and 9. 16 divided by 9 is the answer, and if possible we can reduce it, but here we can see that one number is even and another one is odd, so these both are not divisible. So here are the terms. Now one more type of question, you have to find out which one is greater. Find out the greater फ्रैक्शन. आपको ये पता करना है कि कौन से गिवन फ्रैक्शंस में कौन सा फ्रैक्शन ग्रेटर वैल्यू कंटेन करता है. तो हाउ विल यू फाइंड? सपोज आई एम टेकिंग एन एग्जांपल विच इज़ 2 by 7 और 3 by 5. So we have to find out कि either this or this one is greater one. How can we calculate or how can we compare these two if the denominator are not equal? So the first thing we have to do is to equalize both the denominator values. So for this what you can do, 2 divided by 7 can be multiplied by 5 and 5. In numerator and denominator you will multiply both the cross numbers, opposite numbers, by each other. So here we have 2 into 5 is 10 and 7 into 5 will be 35. For another, this one is the first, another one is 3 by 5. So here we will multiply it by 7 and 7. Again we have the same denominator which is 35 and the over numerator will be 21. Now after comparing these two, you can simply find out ki which number is greater. Here 21 is the greater value, it means ki this value is greater. Or we can write it in compare 2 by 7 is smaller than 3 by 5. That is the comparison of these two fractional values. In our next video, we'll do some of the questions of this, some more questions. Till then, practice your NCERT exercise. Thank you, everyone.